Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw beautiful makeup kits. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will learn you all the makeup kits names. First one I am drawing, this is called eyeshadow plate. There are different types of eyeshadow colors. I know a secret. All the baby girls love to use makeup kits. But do you know, kids, this is not good for your skin because baby skin is very soft. When you will grow up, then you will definitely use all the makeup kits. Till then, you should use only baby products. And now I'm drawing the eyeshadow brush. And here I'm drawing the lipstick. This is called lipstick. You all know about lipstick. And now I'm drawing the nail polish. This is called nail polish. And the last one I'm drawing, this is called makeup brush. We use it for our cheeks. I drew the picture, now it's time to color it. First one I'm using light blue color. Now I'm using deep blue color. This is deep pink color. This is red color. This is deep brown color. This is yellow color. And this is deep green color. This is purple color. This is orange color. Here I am using deep brown color. And now I am using light brown color. This is red color. And this is deep pink color. This is light blue color. This is orange color. And the last one I am using red color. Wow, all the makeup kits are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.